안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make 짜파구리. Is there anyone who watched the movie Parasite? It's a Korean film directed by Bong Joon-ho. It won the most awards at the 92nd Academy Awards, so it's a globally sensational movie these days. I couldn't say anything after watching this movie. It was shocking and the gap between the rich and poor was described dramatically. I recommend you to watch this. In this movie, the special Korean dish was appeared, which is called 짜파구리. It's made by combining the names of two different instant noodles. 짜파 comes from 짜파게티, the black bean noodles, and 구리 comes from 너구리, spicy instant noodles. It's translated in lamdong, 라면 plus udon, to help foreigners understand better. Actually, 짜파구리 has been in trend since 2013 in Korea. But in this movie, the heroine ordered to add Korean beef in 짜파구리 to the housekeeper. So it becomes an expensive dish. Original 짜파구리 is like $2, but once you add Korean beef, it becomes more than $30. So through this scene, you can catch the director's intention. So today, I'm going to make expensive 짜파구리. It's easy to follow and it should be tasty because you don't need to do seasoning. Just instant noodles will do everything. Okay, then let's set the table. First, cut the beef into bite-sized pieces. And sprinkle with salt and pepper. Heat a pan with olive oil. Put beef and cook all sides are brown. After that, remove from the heat. When you open the instant noodles packet, you will see these. These are vegetable mix, and these are soup powder, and this is olive oil. Boil the water with the vegetable mix of both 짜파게티 and 너구리. When it boils, add both noodles. After 3 minutes, strain the noodles and keep the water in a bowl. Place the noodles in a pot again and add 150 ml, 20 tablespoons of water coming from boiling noodles. Add the full pack of 짜파게티 soup powder and half of 너구리 soup powder. Stir the noodles well over medium-high heat and let the sauce to mix well with noodles evenly. And add the beef. Mix well. After 1 minute, remove from the heat and add olive oil from 짜파게티 and stir well. Transfer the noodles to the plate and serve right away. What a luxurious 짜파구리 is. I spent around $30 on this dish. It should be delicious. Should be. Okay, let me taste. It's delicious. It's savory and it has a kick from Noguri's spicy soup powder. And you know, the beef is always good. It's tender and juicy. Okay. Korean instant noodles have different texture and thickness. Among them, 짜파게티 and noguri noodles are pretty thick. So they are in harmony even they are different noodles. You will need a napkin when you eat this. Today I made a 짜파구리. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.